welcome to my channel. This morning I have received it from Flipkart. Its logo नया इंडिया के साथ. Now I am cutting it my knife and now product is out. Camera attached. Its case also. It's Sony CyberShot 2 years warranty and include 16 GB memory card. This is the bill. Now I have removed polythene paper. Its cover written Sony logo that marks its authenticity, and main product is out. Sony CyberShot. It looks amazing. Here is warranty card and manual book. That helps a lot. Its power cable and this is attached rope and its data cable also and its adapter, and now its battery. Here USB port, all instructions, and here main camera, on off switch, data cable port, front lens and flash. Sony CyberShot gives 16 GB memory card. It's here. I have removed it from sticky polythene, and at last my capture image from this camera. That's it. Bye bye.